Welcome to the Techie Dialogue. Today, we'll show you how to create a CSV file on Excel step by step. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Step 1. Open your existing Microsoft Excel on your computer or open a blank worksheet by clicking on the blank workbook. Step 2. Type in the data you wish to include in your CSV file. Organize it by columns and rows as needed. Step 3. After entering your data, click on the File option from the top menu bar. Select Save as from the drop-down menu. Step 4. A dialog box will appear. Click on the Browse button to select the location on your computer where you want to save the file. In the File Name box, type the name of your file. In the Save as Type drop-down, choose CSV, delimited. After that, click on the Save button. Step 5. Minimize the Excel window after saving the file. Navigate to the folder where you saved the CSV file. Double-click the CSV file to open it and verify the contents. It should open in a text editor or another application like Excel in CSV format. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and see you next time with more videos.